Good morning, guys. How are you? We are headed out. I just realized that the sheet in the chicken coop is gone. Yeah, we don't have any chickens left. Stupid raccoons and skunks. But we're on our way out to the campground. Probably go and open the doors and let my plants get some fresh air. And Devin's gonna go out there and use the storage in a little while. And yeah. Hey guys, we're out here. It's so boring out here in the winter because nobody comes out. No fishies dead. Well, there's 3 on the bottom. 3 fishies dead on the bottom. But anyways, there's never no customers, so you're just like sitting out here and you can only clean so much. It's nice right here. I think I'm gonna go smoke. Come out and smoke. It's kind of chilly everywhere else. But my yard again. You guys getting tired of it? See, and Bill has his name on the van. I'm sitting outside and I'm looking at the driveway and I keep on seeing like little trash everywhere. Like there's a shaver thingy. There's some blue string everywhere. Excuse me, there's cigarette butts and I don't like that. So I'll go pick up trash. And then Bill has to work later, and then I think Sloppy Joe's for supper, so when he goes back to work, then I'll go home and scrub our shower and mop our floor like I was planning on doing today. What else was I planning on doing?
Not that.
No, there was another thing. I was like, damn it, I was gonna do that too. Shut up, stupid. Devin went and bought me
$700 in the bank.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. And then I'm getting
So aren't you glad you didn't go and get a pickup?
Yeah.
And you wouldn't have shit.
Yeah.
Except for a shiny new pickup that you're having to pay a bunch for.
Yeah. It's also.
They're looking through Bill's thermal imaging
My windshield's hot and dirty.
thingies. Devin's back there hiding.
Where'd you get this thing from?
Devin, scoot up so I can see you.
I can't see now. It's too bright.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
My son is so handsome.
Oh, with the shirt on.
You girls need to come and give him some company. Turn around, let me see your face. No, put it down.
Wow, you don't exist in this thing.
I'm not hot. Told you, babe. Told you I wasn't hot. Gee. I don't know why you lie to me.
Just a bigger one.
This is a night vision.
Oh gosh.
I'm wearing these pants. And I have this shirt on. So I'm like all camouflagey today. And I have a blue jacket and teal shoes. Yee. So fun.
What? This sign's not on his rifle.
I'm gonna go use the restroom and then I'm gonna walk around the yard and pick up trash. There's a few little thingies of trash that need to be picked up, so these rugs. Heck, did she use 2 showers last night? What the heck going on? I just did these yesterday. I don't know. I remember it was her dog. She needs to come in here and clean up this dog food before we get mice. I'm getting ready to leave. I need to go pick up stuff in the yard really quick and then I'm out of here. What are you doing? Bill's putting on the toilet.
Go ahead and lick
Huh.
it. Looks like
It's
looks
just
like fudge.
wax. And it goes right there.
Looks like fudge. Lick it and try it.
What'd the
What?
other one look like? It was all gross.
It's in the trash can.
Davina's leaving. You guys tell him bye. Tell him drive safe.
I don't drive safe.
When you girls come and marry this kid so I can have grandbabies. Hurry. Hurry. I'm ready for grandkids and not just for my dog either.
Hey, fur babies count too.
Huh? Oh, whatever. You're dumb, love you. My phone is about to die. But Bill got a bunch of things in the mail. Like my thumbs. You didn't let me open one?
Only if you don't yell at me.
You.
You're not supposed to yell at me.
You. I need to plug my phone in. And Sloppy Joes are for supper. My doggos is in their cage. What are you guys doing, you little butt nuggets? Do you want outside on your chain? Come on. Good job, mister. Mom's gonna shut the door because it's a little chilly in here, okay? Be good. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I need to charge my baby. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open one of these vacuums. How hard is that? Good Lord. You get the app instructions, the pretty care. You need to put the thingies on, and they just clip right in place. And here's the little the charger thingy. Here's the charger base. There's a remote. Here's a cleaning thingy, an extra filter. Where does the filter go? Yvonne. I need to remove this protective strip. Probably on this side too. I don't know where the filter goes. But let's see what it does, shall we? Not really picking up a lot. Hi guys, I'm cleaning, getting ready for supper. It's Sloppy Joe's. Sloppy Hose. Slappy hose, slappy hose, slappy hose. What are you guys having for supper? I wanted to show you guys. When you clean your mic, put a cup, don't mind the burnt spot back there. Put a cup of hot water, like a half a cup of hot water, and put it in there and put your microwave on 5 minutes and let it boil and steam up your microwave. All you have to do is just wipe it off. Look, I wore makeup for 1 freaking day and my eye is like stupid. I think I'm allergic to it or something. Something, man. Something. How am I grill? I scrubbed out my shower and I ran the vacuum for a little while. Ooh, it's cold, really cold out here. Probably because my window's open.
Oh, it's funny. You're going to kill your poor little plants in there.
Okay, guys. It just took out her fake teeth. Her Invisalign. I'm glad she's responsible because those damn things are expensive. Sloppy Joe's for supper. I used 2 pounds of hamburger and 2 cans of Sloppy Joe sauce, and I think that was a little much. And some carrots and nuh-uh. And then I have the onions, tomatoes. And
School lunch.
oh, look at how cute!
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Did you already eat a sandwich?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, what the heck?
Whipped cream.
No, don't give him no more whipped cream, because that might have been what made him sick the other day.
No, it wasn't.
How do you know?
Because I gave it to him a day.
You guys said that was good for him.
Well, it is, but he might have the blood sugar thingy. Is it good?
The cucumbers and stuff are.
Chewbacca, I'm gonna bust your ass, boy. I'm gonna bust Chewie's ass, and Brandon's gonna smack the shit out of Mackenzie.
Mom, don't let Brandon keep stealing my shirt.
Maybe you shouldn't put it in my clothes.
Literally has my name on it.
Well, he wants to be Mackenzie for a frickin' day, man. Shit. Okay, guys, I'm going to eat, and I'm going to bed. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow, or the next day, or the next day. I got to let my eye heal.
Give me a pop, you slave. No. You dirty monkey.
Brandon Lee, I'm still videoing.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
See. You're dumb.
Stop. Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile and make someone else smile. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. We're changing we're turning on our humidifier, and we're changing the pad, and look at how gross our water is.
She's like, I don't think
That's
I want anything to do with
disgusting, huh, baby? You guys, I'm teaching my dog to say I love you. Ready? Say it. love you.